This is an urgent message from CoinHelpU. Please do not do a Google search for coin values. If you do a Google search, type in price guide. If you have a raw coin, go to eBay, coins and currency category, click sold items. That way you can match your coin to see what they've sold for. I do have a video that I'll have a link to that you can watch to show you how to do that. If you have a graded coin by PCGS NGC, you can consult their retail price guides. If you want to see what they've sold for on average in the last auctions, go to Stacks and Bowers archives, go to Great Collections archives, and go to Heritage Coin Auctions, sold auctions. And the thing about it is when you're doing a Google search, you're finding ads that are showing people trying to sell these coins way above what they're worth, and common coins for thousands of dollars. Anybody can put any coin up for sale for any price they want on any website. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.